Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about how you can use WhatsApp app on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is, if you don't have WhatsApp already on your watch, you have to download it, and for that simply go to the Play Store, download WhatsApp, and then follow the process to connect it with your phone. Once you're done with that, all your WhatsApp chats will be loaded onto the WhatsApp app on your watch. Now, one important thing to mention is that if you have two WhatsApp apps on your phone using the dual messenger feature of Samsung Galaxy phones, the WhatsApp app on your watch will sync up with the primary WhatsApp app on your phone, not the dual messenger WhatsApp app. Now, once you will open WhatsApp, you can see your entire messages library on the watch, and when you will scroll up, it will give you the option to load more conversations, and once you do that and scroll up, it will then give you the option to load all of them. You can go in any of the chat's threads and read the messages. It lets you read a lot of previous messages in that chat's thread before telling you that if you want to read more messages, you have to open WhatsApp on your phone. At the bottom, there is an option to type the message, or you can also send a voice note right from your watch, which is great. What I really like about the audio messages here is that once you have recorded the message, it gives you the option to listen it back. So if you don't like it, you can delete it. You can also visit contact profile and mute the chats from there. And guess what? If you have an LTE enabled Wear OS smartwatch, you can do all this untethered. No need to keep your phone nearby. Within the chat, you can view and download images, but videos and GIFs are not supported yet. And then there are new WhatsApp tiles available as well, which gives you quick access to recent contacts and voice messaging. WhatsApp already added the ability to take WhatsApp calls on your Galaxy watches, but there is still no way to make a call even with the WhatsApp app itself. Now, if you archive a chat on your phone, that chat will disappear from the watch entirely. There is no way to restore that chat on the watch. So if you want to hide a particular chat on the watch, just archive it on the phone. One loophole that I've noticed here is that if you lock a chat in the WhatsApp app on your phone, that chat will still be visible on your watch, and if you're getting messages in that chat, those latest messages will still appear in that chat on your watch. Now, this is a fairly new feature from WhatsApp, so maybe in future updates, WhatsApp will sync up this feature on the watch app as well. Overall, it's a good app with a lot of features, but we are still missing videos and GIFs, and there is no way to initiate calls from the WhatsApp app, and these are the features that I would like to see going forward in the future.